In an unexpected turn of events, the Eiffel Tower was evacuated on Christmas Eve after a fire alarm disrupted the holiday cheer in Paris. Around 1,200 visitors were swiftly evacuated from the iconic landmark as emergency protocols were enacted, ensuring everyone's safety while the situation was assessed. The alarm sounded shortly after 10:30 a.m. local time, prompting an immediate response from both the tower's management and emergency services. Initial concerns suggested a possible fire in the lift shaft, leading to a heightened sense of urgency. However, officials later confirmed that the issue was not an actual fire but a technical malfunction. A short circuit in the elevator's power rail between the second floor and the top of the monument had triggered the alarm. According to CE, the Eiffel Tower's management company, the decision to evacuate was a precautionary measure in line with strict safety protocols. No visitors were put in danger, a CTE spokesperson assured, emphasizing that the situation was handled effectively to avoid any potential risks. Emergency teams conducted thorough inspections, swiftly isolating the malfunction and ensuring there was no further threat. The iconic Parisian structure, standing at 1,083 feet tall, attracts millions of visitors annually, with daily attendance often reaching up to 25,000. Given its global recognition and high visitor numbers, the safety measures enacted during such incidents highlight the preparedness and efficiency of the management team. Interestingly, this disruption occurred against the backdrop of Paris's heightened fire safety vigilance, a sentiment deeply rooted since the devastating Notre Dame Cathedral fire in 2019. That event left a lasting impact on the city's approach to protecting its historic landmarks. By midday, the situation at the Eiffel Tower was declared fully under control, with reopening plans underway. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of robust safety protocols, especially in sites of such cultural and historical significance. For those visiting Paris during the festive season, it's a story that underscores the commitment to keeping the City of Lights safe for everyone. Stay subscribed for more videos.